At Makla Jagriti, we believe in empowering the entire ecosystem around the child, and this last month has been really exciting and fulfilling for all of us at MJ, because we've had a series of events working with various stakeholders that work with the child, whether the teachers, parents, various department officials. We started off with this workshop for superintendents who work with children in need of care and protection. It was amazing. We went away with a lot of reflections on how to make the homes more child-centric for these lovely, beautiful children. We then had a kick-ass workshop on leadership for supervisors from the ICDS who oversee Anganwadis. There again we focused on how they can really take charge of Anganwadis in their circles and transform them into vibrant spaces of preschool learning. That very beautifully led us into an Anganwadi hubba for parents of Anganwadi children in our communities where we engage, and parents went away with what are these activities I can do at home to ensure that my child develops and learns well. How do I create a conducive home environment for the development, especially in the early years. And we moved on to working with the government school teachers on how to engage in my classrooms more creatively, what teaching learning methodologies I can use to ensure or to bring about the holistic development of children. We had over the span of the month, we've engaged with BEOs, BRCs, DDPIs, DCPOs, CDPOs, various stakeholders who are all very, very important in this larger ecosystem of working with the child. So that way it has been a true month of pure joy and fulfillment for all of us at Makla Jagriti.